First question of construction of triangles of class 7. The question number 1 is, on a line segment AB equal to 4 cm, construct a square. On a line segment AB, construct a square. The question number 1, draw a line AB equal to 4 cm. Draw a line AB equal to 4 cm. Construct a square. We know that each angle of a square is equal to 90 degree. First we draw the angle A and B 90 degree. Now cut the 4 cm. Cut an arc from B 4 cm and from A 4 cm. The equal arcs 4 cm. Now join the points C and D. This is the required square. Okay. Now construct. Draw a line of 4 cm. 4 cm AB. Now construct 90 degree angle at A and B. Angle A 90 degree and angle B . Angle B. This angle equal to 90 degree and angle B equal to 90 degree. Now cut an arc of 4 cm. Measure the arc of 4 cm from B and from A. Angle, this is a point C and this is point D. Now join CD. ABCD is a required square. ABCD is a square. Okay. Question number 2. 3 non-collinear points PQR are given. Complete the parallelogram PQRS. 3 non-collinear points PQR and complete a parallelogram PQRS. Draw 3 non-collinear points PQR. Suppose P, Q and R. These are the 3 non-collinear points PQR. Complete the parallelogram PQRS. First join PQ, QR and join PR. Make angle at P and equal angle at P and equal to R. Make same equal angles from P and R. Now cut equal angles and extend this line. Now measure the length of PQ and cut the equal arc from R. This is the point S. Now join PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. Now construction. Point P, Q and R. These are the 3 non-collinear points PQ and R. Join PQ, QR and PR. Cut equal arc from P and R. Equal arcs from P and R. Now measure this angle P. Measure like this and cut equal arc here. extend angle R. Okay. Now measure the side PQ from compass and cut equal arc from R. This is a fourth vertex of parallelogram PQRS. Now join PS. PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. Third and last question. ABC is a triangle, obtuse angled at C. How many construct a perpendicular from B to AC? Construct and show. Okay. This is the figure given of an obtuse angle triangle. ABC is a triangle obtuse angle at C. This is a obtuse angle triangle. A, B and C. Obtuse angle, obtuse means more than 90 degree. Construct a perpendicular from B on AC. Construct and show. Extend the line AC and cut a equal arc from B on AC. Cut an arc from B on AC. Now cut arc from these 2 points and join. This is the perpendicular on AC from B. BD is a perpendicular on AC. Now construction. Make a obtuse angle triangle. Make obtuse angle triangle. This is A, B and C. Now produced AC. Okay. Now cut an arc from B on AC. This is an arc from B on AC. Now cut equal arcs from these 2 points. 1 and from this point. And BD is perpendicular on AC. This is the construction of question number 3 of HOTS type questions.